In this lecture, let's see how to customize our progress bar as we want. So jQueryUI provides a CSS framework to customize different jQueryUI widgets. We will be seeing the CSS framework in a different section separately. So the CSS framework provides some classes to customize our progress bar. In fact, the outer container of the progress bar has the class name UI-progress-bar, and this filled area has the class name UI-progress-bar-value. So using those class names, we can actually customize our progress bar. The not filled area is in white, right? Suppose we want to change this to some other color. What we need to do? We need to add the style section, and the name of the class is UI-progress-bar. Okay, so this is the class name of the outer container. So if I specify background and let me specify the color as gray, what will happen? The white color will be replaced by gray. Refresh. See, now it is seen in gray color. Okay. Now suppose we want to make this more rounded. That is, the corners need to be more rounded. In that case, we can use the border radius property, and let me set the value to 25px and see the difference. Save, refresh. See, it is more rounded now. Now similarly, we can style this filled section using the class name UI-progress-bar-value. So let me copy this one, okay, and add -value, and let me make the background color to be, say, red. So what will happen? Now this will become red, that is, blue will be changed to red. Refresh. See, it is now shown in red color. Still here it is not rounded, right? So if we copy this, paste, save, refresh, see, it is also now rounded. So like this, we can customize our progress bar using these two class names. The class names are UI-progress-bar for the outer container and UI-progress-bar-value is for the filled section, that is the current value. Now, suppose we want to display the current value and the maximum value, because from this we are not able to understand what is the actual current value or the maximum allowed value, right? So what we can do, we can try to display it at the end, here and here. So the maximum value will not be changed frequently, right? So what I'm going to do is, within this I'm going to add a span element with ID maximum, okay, and display the value within this span element. So to display the value, what should we do? We need to actually get the maximum value, right? Because we might not know what is the maximum value set. So we can use a variable where maximum equals, let me copy this much, and I want to get the value of the option max, right? So option max, this will return the value of the max option. Now what we can do, we can set $maximum, that is the name of the span element, dot text. Let me display maximum, and I want to make it as a percentage. So just have to attach percentage, right? Now let's see the output. Save, refresh. See, it is displayed here actually. So we need to do some styling in order to display at the end. Okay, so let's do that next. For the $maximum, that is the span element, what we can do, we can first float it to the right hand side and see, save, refresh. See, this now seen here. If we want to have some gap, what we can do, we can add margin right, and let me add 15px. Okay, refresh. See, now it is displayed here. Similarly, suppose we want to display the current value. What we can do, instead of again adding another span element, what we can do is we can use the UI progress bar value as well. So instead of adding a span element, let me try to attach it to the element with this class name, which means the filled part. Okay, so similar to this, let me try to get the value of the current value, that is the value of the value option. So let me name it as current, and here value, that is the name of the option. Then what we can do, we can access the class using dot, so UI progress bar hyphen value, then dot text. What is the value? It is current, then again a plus and percentage. If you don't want the percentage, it is fine. Here I am adding the percentage as well. So let's see that. Refresh. See, here also it is displayed on the left hand side. So here what we can do, within this class we can write text align right, so that the text will be moved to the right hand side. Let's see the output. Refresh. See, this moved to the right hand side. Let us try to change this to black, similar to this. So what we can do, we can set color to be black, and now this looks like bold, right? So let me change the font weight to normal. Okay, and now let's see the difference. Save, refresh. See, it is shown in black itself. Okay, and let me remove the background color because it is somewhat odd to see it in red and gray. So let me change it. Refresh. See, it is 20% and it is 50%. So like this, you can customize the look of your progress bar using the CSS framework offered by jQueryUI. And in the case of progress bar, we are using UI-progress bar to customize the outer container, and UI-progress bar-value class for the filled part. So in this section, we have seen how to style the outer container as well as the filled part, and also how to display the current value and the maximum value.